everyone. We are now here in Malaysia, so we just arrived. And it's 4 p.m. We didn't know that it's kind of far from the airport. I think it's an hour away, Lovey, or no? Not really.
A little bit more than that.
Right?
With the traffic, yeah.
Yeah, so I'm going to do a room tour. So this is in Echaras, Kuala Lumpur. Not sure if that's the state or whatsoever, but yeah, I'm gonna do a room tour. Let's start with the kitchen. So this is the kitchen area. This is cool. Big refrigerator. This is the cooking stuff. They also have this microwave for coffees. Whoa, look at that. It's on the 22nd floor. And then some stuff here for coffee and yeah, I wonder if they have, how do you open this? Oh, they have some stuff. What about the plates? Here. Oh, there. Okay, it's complete. Okay, utensils are here. And then this is the kitchen. I mean the dining area. Oh, I love. They also have this for drying the clothes. So yeah, that's the kitchen. It's so small, but it's cute. Let's see the toilet. Oh, wow. So this is where the washing machine, which is perfect. And there you go. So nice. And then, oh, you can open this. This is for drying the clothes. Or not really, actually. Alright, that's cool. It doesn't have any balcony, but it's kind of like a sky view. And this is so nice, right? So that's where we can wash our clothes, which is perfect, and dry it here. And then this is the amazing living room. What the fudge, right? It's so nice. My gosh, I'm so excited to see this at night. Wow, they have a cute electric fan here. So television is there. Oh wow. Oh my gosh. Can you see that? Wow. This is so nice, and of course you can open it for fresh air and stuff like that. And yeah, so this is the living room. It's so nice. This is actually a 2-bedroom as well. But you know, I mean, for the price, for amount, it's definitely worth it. I think it's just around 50,000 pesos for 1 month. And then you get this view. And then it's 2-story as well. So we have a stair here going to the bedroom. Is it nice?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Check it out.
And let me just take off my shoes first. So it's 2-bedroom. So this is that stair going to that bedroom. Yeah, it's also glass. And yeah, so I guess this is the restroom or the toilet. Oh, see, they also have toilet down there and then toilet here. And again, we can also open this. Oh, it's still the same. Yeah. Shower here, hot and cold shower. And then, oh, I thought we we're just gonna put it there, down there, no?
You don't want clothes in the room? I'm gonna shower and then change into my clothes. So
Sure.
I'll line up here anyway.
Wow. This is so nice, Lovey. Oh my gosh, I want a house like this.
The view in here.
Right? Oh, so that's the master. Let's go here first. So this is the second room, which is so cool. Oh, I thought it's a drawer or something. Yeah, so this is the second room, and then there's another bed here. Like a sofa bed that you can turn. And then another city view, which is nice. And then, yeah, cabinets. Let's see what we have here. Wow, that's nice. And then now this is the master's bedroom. Oh, they also have this laundry basket. So cute. So this is the master's bedroom. Oh, nice. They also have this. Oh, it's complete. I like it. They also have another laundry basket here, which is cool. And this is helpful. And look at the view. Oh my god. Oh, this is also nice. Wow, lovely is so nice. So yeah, that's the master's bedroom. Oh my god, this is so scary at the same time. Look at that. So this is the view from the second floor of this condo.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. And yeah, oh my god, look at that. What the fudge? Wow. It's a fancy. Right? Oh my gosh, I'm already thinking some picture ideas. Yeah, so we have a view like this in the living room and a view like this in the bedroom. So that is so cool. And I'm living for it. I want a house like this in the future. But yeah, the bed is so nice. So yeah, I guess that's the end of this video of this room tour. I'm kind of sweaty already. It's hot. The air conditioner is still not working. But anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. If you do like it, hit the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel and follow all my social media below. Once again, this is Sass reminding you all to stay golden. Bye!